You are going to love the 2017 Rio. The Rio delivers sprightly performance, great fuel economy, and agile handling, all in a stylish package. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, stability control, tire pressure monitor, tires, rear all-season, wheel covers, remote trunk release, front-wheel drive, steel wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front all-season. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.